Next problem, solve x square y minus 2xy square into dx minus of x cube minus 3x square y into dy equal to 0. Solution. Given differential equation is x square y minus 2xy square into dx minus of x cube minus 3x square y into dy equal to 0. So from that one, x square y minus 2xy square into dx equal to x cube minus 3x square y into dy. So now comparing this equation, with m dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m equal to x square y minus 2xy square, n equal to minus x cube plus 3x square y. So now differentiating with respect to y. So then dou m by dou y equal to dou by dou y of x square y minus 2xy square. So then which implies y is constant and the derivation of x square is 2x minus 2x into, and the derivation of y square is 2y. So then which implies here 2xy minus 4xy. So the value is minus 2x. X square, here x square is common and the derivation of y is 1. So then which implies 4xy minus, so which implies 4xy minus 4xy plus x square, and the derivation of dou n by dou x equal to minus 3x square plus 6xy. So therefore dou m by dou y equal to dou m by dou y, which is not equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore it is this is a homogeneous differential equation and it is not an exact differential equation. It is not exact differential equation. Therefore we can choose an integrating factor. Integrating factor equal to 1 by mx plus ny. So then which implies what is the value? 1 by x square y minus 2xy square into x plus minus x cube plus 3x square y into y. So then which implies 1 by x cube y minus 2x square y square minus x cube y plus 3x square y square. So then which implies 1 by x square y square. Therefore integrating factor equal to 1 by x square into y square. So now multiplying this 1 by x square y square to the given differential equation. Multiplying this equation with 1 by x square into y square. Then x square y then minus of x cube minus 3x square y by x square y square into dy equal to 0. This is in the form of m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. So where m1 equal to 1 by y minus 2 by x, and the next one is what is that, minus x by y square plus 3 by y. So then dou m1 by dou y equal to minus 1 by y square, dou n1 by dou x equal to minus 1 by y square. So therefore dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n1 by dou x. So therefore it is exact differential equation. Therefore it is exact differential equation. Therefore it is exact differential equation. So therefore the general solution is integral m1 dx plus integral n1 into dy equal to c, which implies integral 1 by y minus 2 by x into dx plus integral 3 by y into dy equal to c, which implies x by y minus 2 log x plus 3 into log y equal to c. Therefore what is the equation? X by y minus 2 log x plus 3 log y equal to c, which is the required general solution. General solution. Next one is solve 2xy into dy. Solve 2xy into dy minus of x cube x square plus y square plus 1 into dx equal to 0. The given differential equation is 2xy into dy minus of x square plus y square plus 1 into dx equal to 0. Therefore m equal to minus x square minus y square minus 1 and n equal to 2xy. So now we have to check whether it is exact or not.